Welcome back with another tutorial video of HTML course. In this video, we're gonna look at text input control. This control is used for items that require only one line for users' input such as search boxes or names. They are created using HTML input tag. There are many attributes involved in text input control. Some of the attributes are type, name, value, size, max length. Type indicates the type of input control, and for text input control it will be set to text. Name is used to give a name to the control which is sent to the server to be recognized and get the value. The value can be used to provide an initial value inside the control. Size allows to specify the width for the text input control in terms of characters. Maximum length allows to specify the maximum number of characters a user can enter into the text box. Let's see an example. It's all about input text control. I'll be back with next video.